Hello. In this video, we're going to go over rewriting exponents as logarithms. We have another video where I show how to make logarithms into exponents, and it's going to be the same type of process, just backwards. So for this stuff, what we're going to do is remember how we have to change that. So this time, instead of giving the log first, we're giving the exponent. So we are started with a base of b, an exponent of x, is equal to y. To change this to a logarithm, all we have to do is this simple step. The first thing I need to write is my log. My log will always have a base. The base will be the same, b. And then what we're going to do is go across the equal sign and put our exponent. And then the y goes there. So just to confirm again, we're going to have the base of the log and the base of the exponent remains the same. So the base remains. Then we're going to snail across, like we did in our last one. We're going to snail across. So across the equal sign, we put our y, we draw an equal sign, and we go across the equal sign again, and we get our x. So that's how we get log base b of y is equal to x. So let's start doing some problems. Let's rewrite 25 3 over 2 is equal to 125. What we're going to need to do here is first recognize the base. Okay, well, 25 is my base. So I can write log base 25. Then we're going to apply the snail. And the way to apply the snail is we're just going to go across the equal sign. Log 25 of 125. And then we're going to cross the equal sign again. Once we cross it the second time, we put our equal sign and we put that exponent down. Log base 25 of 125 is equal to 3 over 2. So that's how we rewrite that one. Let's do it one more time. 6 to the power of 3 is equal to 216. My base is 6. So the base of my log will remain 6. So we're going to go log base of 6. We're going to snail across 216. And we're going to snail back over equals 3. That's it. That is how we rewrite both of those exponents into logarithms. Pretty simple stuff as long as we remember this right here. If you have any specific questions of these you'd like me to cover, please just shoot me an email or mention it in the comments. Other than that, I hope everyone has a great day.